Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our communication skills class. Today you are going to deal with the most interested one, effective topic, which will be playing a major role in our life. That is nothing but interview skills. The entire career you are studying all these studies to get a good job. In getting a good job, these interview skills play vital role. So today we are going to deal with such a good topic. You must pay a good attention to deal with this. Right. What is an interview? Before I want to show the slide, I would like to listen to your views. Since it is online class, you may not talk to me, you better write. What is an interview? Everybody feels that I know the meaning of interview, but can you define it? What is an exactly meaning of an interview? You can write it so that after I show you, you can check the matching between. So here, I am giving a good, definition. What is an interview? A formal meeting in which one or more persons question, consult or evaluate another person. A job interview. In a job interview means many interviews might be there, but we love to listen to job interview because the purpose of our career is to get a good job, to settle down our life. So a formal meeting in which one or more persons, sometimes single interviewer will be there. However, interviewee is one. Interviewers may be more. One or more persons they question you, they consult you, how best you can offer for them or evaluate another person. It is called a job interview. One more definition. A meeting or conversation in which a writer or reporter asks questions of one or more persons from whom material is sought for a new newspaper story, television, broadcast, etc. This is the second definition which doesn't apply to us, apply to you. Many journalists also, they make interviews with the famous people, celebrities, politicians, leaders. This is what. But in the job interview is nothing but this one. Got the clarity? Look at the picture. What the people are doing? They are making interview. How many people are there in the panel? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many candidates are there? One candidate. Of course, in some contexts, 2 or 3 candidates also will be there. We will see that what it is called. But as of now, we are dealing with interview, personal interview, which is called HR round usually. Before you come to HR round, there will be some steps. Technical interview, written test, screening test, people call like that. They are common for all. This interview, HR interview is individual. They are common to all people write the same paper, all people participate in the group discussion, but for interview you are called individually. They want to check your individual talent. Right. So got the meaning of the interview? Hoping that I am moving to the next slides. One more. Human resource. What is an interview? One more definition I would like to give. The interview is an opportunity for both. Who are the both? You and the interviewer. For both the interviewer and the candidate, the job seeker, candidate to market themselves. The interviewer wanted to select the right person for the position. At the same time, the candidate get the maximum salary, get the maximum salary and get a good offer letter. So it is an opportunity for the both, not only for you but also for the interviewer to market themselves. They are marketing about their company. My company offer this much. My company strength is like this. My company select these kind of candidates. They are telling indirectly. At the same time, you are also representing your institution, your stance, your resume, the weight of your resume you are showing. So this is also very important. So it is an opportunity for the both interviewer and interviewee, the candidate. The employer is selling the organization to you. They are selling you, in other words, and you are marketing your skills, your specialties, your worth, your capabilities, your calibers. Okay, skills, knowledge and personality to the employer. You are selling it. Okay, remember that interviews are varied and so they cannot therefore be easily categorized. Remember that interviews are varied, so they cannot be, okay, therefore be easily categorized. They are different interviews. You cannot confirm just like, okay, one interview. They are varied. Different interviews types are there. We are going to see that. Don't worry. So this is one more better, okay, definition. Do my definitions match with you? Hope so. Right. Okay. Look at the picture also. Interview. Okay. A lady. Okay. A gent. They both are in the, okay, interview process. Now look at the, okay, next interview. Types of interviews. How many types of interviews are there? These are the types of the interviews. Screening interview, as I told you, very preliminary, whether you are fit for the job, you have that abilities or not, simple thing. That is not finalizing the candidature for the position, but screening. And telephone interview, okay, sometimes companies may not come to your campus, you may not go there, like especially this kind of situation, pandemic situations like COVID-19. So they, over telephone they call you. Maybe sometimes in companies structure, second round is telephone, maybe third round is person to person, direct interview, personal interview. So sometimes, so telephone interview is nothing but over telephone. They love to listen to your answers, your voice, your body language, everything they guess from your tone itself. That's why I told you, tone carries 38%, body language 55%, words carry only 7%. Agree? Agree by this statement? You must, there is no chance. Video conferencing, of course, in these days webinars and all you are using. By video conference they interview a candidate, obviously, definitely. And one-to-one interview, as you have seen just before in the slide picture, one-to-one, straight away, direct interview, which is called face-to-face. Panel interview, in other slide you have seen, panel means not one person, more than one person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people also there will be there sometimes to check the candidate's capabilities. Each person takes care of one aspect of your interview. Then group interview. What is a group interview? What is the difference between the panel interview and the group interview? Group interview, in group interview, candidates will be in the group. Maybe one interviewer will be there, but candidates are called 4 or 5 in number. Why? Okay, in common, okay, they give the questions. Randomly they give one question for one candidate, one question for one candidate. Like that they keep moving here and there, this side to that side. That is called a group interview. Group of people are interviewed at the same time. Clear? Right. Group interview and information session. What is an information session? Information session I will give you separate. Okay. Don't bother about that. Sequential and serial interview. Sequential and serial interview. Okay, these two things, okay, not that much of relevant to you. Okay, I am just skipping for you. When you talk, I talk to you orally, I'll tell you. Okay, don't bother of that. Look at the rest of the interview types. Understand? Right. So these are the types of the interview. Right. Purpose of a job interview. What is the purpose of a job interview? Already I gave answer in my definitions. The interview is a conversation in which you and employer exchange information with each other. Your objective is to get an offer of a job, offer letter, and the employer's objective is to find out the following. What are those? What you have to offer. Your skills, your abilities, basic knowledge about the subject and all. Okay? Right. Employer has his own objective, whereas as a candidate you also have your own objective. Right? So this is the purpose of an interview. Now you know the definition of an interview. Okay? Kinds of interviews. purpose of interview, okay, and purpose of a job interviews particularly. What is the purpose of an interview? More elaboration. An interviewer is a two-way exchange. Interview is a two-way exchange, a conversation in which both participants have some goals, in which both participants, like interviewer, interviewee, interviewer and candidate, both have their own goals. The interviewer wants to determine these things, whereas the candidate wants to, okay, determine these things. Interviewer, can the candidate do the job? Is he a suitable one? If I select him, is my decision is correct? Will it help my company? Like that he thinks. Will the candidate fit in the roles, the position? And is this the best candidate for the position? Many candidates are there. Why should he or she select you only? You should have some speciality, uniqueness, some great, okay, quality. Okay, is this the best candidate really? Am I giving the best to my company or not? They think like that. At the end of the day, their job is to give the best candidate to the company. Okay. At the same time, the interviewee, the candidate, you, wants to determine these things. Do I want this job? నిజంగా ఈ జాబ్ నేను అర్హున్నా? Can I do this? Okay, can I do this job? Can I do potential? Do I have that much of potentiality caliber? Does this job offer me the opportunities I want for advancement or experience? Does this job offer me the opportunities which I would like to achieve or take in my future? I want for advancement or experience, okay, better position in future. Okay, what kind of experience I want to get through this job? Really, does this job give to me? Really? Candidates also, okay, estimates, evaluates, okay, is this a company for right company for me? Can it give assurance for my future? Like that, they think like that. So, okay, this is the purpose of an interview, the purpose of an interview. So how to prepare for an interview? Then you know, okay, what is an interview, what is the purpose of an interview, how many types of interviews are there, then how to prepare for an interview. Do you know? If you know, let me know. How? You write an email, you write a letter, send to me, you text in WhatsApp, whatever medium you adapt, let me know. So interview preparation is more important. Not only just knowing the interview types, okay, definition of interview, purpose of the interview, okay, won't help you. You must know the, okay, preparation of an interview, how to prepare an interview. Okay, be prepared. How? Be prepared. Plan, prepare, perform. Before an interview, you must have a good plan, how to crack that. You must prepare that according to the plan and you must perform according to the plan. Only planning doesn't help you. Many people plan many things in the life, but they can't. They plan, keep on planning many things, but execution is not there. No use. Okay, right, be prepared. Okay, location and punctuality. What is the first one? Location and punctuality. First, as a planning, you must know the location and punctuality. What is that? Location. Location means where the company is there. Where is the place of interview? You must know in advance. If you don't know even clarity about the venue, how do you go? You miss the interview. And punctuality, time. By, okay, exactly right time you should be there, but not like that. You should be there even an hour advance, in advance. Nothing wrong. You can understand the circumstances, you can be familiarized with the, okay, situation as well. The why? Okay, time plays very important role. And be professional. When, look at that, be professional attire before you go to an interview. Then how to prepare for an interview? Yes, now you know that all the details, but how to prepare? Yes, you will learn in the next lecture how to prepare for an interview. Right? Wait for that. Okay, just wait for that. For the next class, you will know that. Thank you. Thanks for listening to me.